Everything was peaceful until this moment. You won't believe what the camera caught. This moment left millions of people stunned. One second it was normal, the next second disaster struck. Look closely, because you will only see this once in your lifetime. No one can predict what is going to happen. But the camera captured that terrifying moment. Don't look away, because in the next 10 seconds, you will witness a moment that people cannot forget. Tornado landspout touched down in Eaton.
Jeez.
Remember to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next unbelievable moments.
Little August 2nd.
Thunderstorms in Lake Buchanan, everyone stay safe.
Y'all be safe out there. This thing gets dangerous quick.
In China, a fool wondered if he could burn pearl cotton with a lighter. That's a lot of damage done. Looks like it's his first day on the job.
Oh my goodness.
A truck was trying to get on the boat, but it seemed the wooden plank was not strong enough. Oh no, it won't stop.
Nicole! Nicole! You need to put it back in! What do I do? It's not stopping!
The impatient truck driver tried to pass and got stuck in the back of the train. Part of the boat's leg support has fallen off.
Non dà tempo, ora sta cogliendo via. Oh, no, vai, 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 vai.
A truck leaked liquefied gas on the road and a passing car set it on fire. How a farmer blocks a gate. The wine lover in me is so sad with regret. This will be awarded to the tow truck driver of the year. It seems our captain did not pay attention to the height of the ship. This may be your first and last test drive at the dealership. Oh my God. The truck was so heavy it seemed the previous truck had refused to take the goods.
टूट गया गया वही हो रहा था कि ट्रैक्टर नोच जाए.
Conveyor belt in coal power plant caught fire. A tow truck crashed into the area, knocking over rows of goods. Image of collapsed garage. A car crashed into a small tunnel and got stuck. Plane crashed into car in suburb. Hope everything is okay. That's why you need a guide behind you.
Perkele jo nyt se on nyt ongelma. Voi jumalauta, tee ulos sieltä!
The powerful current broke the dam. The crane could not bear the weight, and the boat fell. The man fell asleep at the wheel and crashed into the cargo. Looks like he forgot to turn off the enhance button. What happens if you don't tie down your crawler crane? If you open the trunk at the car wash, unexpected problems will occur. Camera captures images of chimney destruction. The amount of product lost in the way of destroying other things as well. The battery of the electric bus caught fire and spread to the remaining vehicles in the convoy. Oh my God, the boat is crashing into the shore. The car stopped by the landslide and gradually fell away. A construction site suddenly collapsed. Looks like someone had a bad day. Wet charge image of steel mill. A car caught fire at a Dunkin' Donuts fast food counter.
Damn. Oh, that's about to blow.
A building collapsed after the storm in Teruel. Everyone is safe. The truck drove on the road divider. Russian mortar shell grazed the car. Passengers were safe for a split second. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell for more great content.